Hi, I'm Sage Eric of Sage Enchantment. Let's do a tarot reading for you for today. Tignan natin. Balasahin ko lang yung card, syempre. Okay, card number 1. Integration. Integration meaning pagsamahin. Okay? So parang maybe partnership, integrated. Next, comparison. Kasi syempre, you need to compare. Ano ba yung kaya kong gawin? At meron pa bang ibang tao na mas magaling para sa akin? You compare yourself to others para makahanap ka na makakatulong sa iyo. Kasi syempre, hindi naman lahat kaya natin. Yung ibang ideas galing sa ibang tao mas okay. Diba? Awareness, be aware. Ano ba yung continuation ng ginagawa mo? Be aware on the present. Oo, para alam mo kung ano yung gagawin mo for the future or for today para magbago in the future. Siyempre, kailangan natin yun, awareness. Then control. Totally should be in control in all of your actions. In actions mo na, titignan mo na pag ito pa yung ginawa ko, ito pa yung magiging tama. Pag ito pa yung ginawa ko, mas mabilis ba? Ganun. So, parang consequentialist ang dating, ha? And then, success. Ayan. Kasi, yung ito, ganito, integration, comparison, and awareness. Pag nadaanan mo na yan, nakapag-decide ka na that you are now in total control, you will be successful. O, diba? Maganda yung Kasi nagkaroon ka ng learning at first, before you execute whatever you wanted to do. Or kung kailangan mong pag-isipan mabuti yung mga dapat mong gawin muna para ma-achieve mo into the success. Okay, maganda. O, rightness. Because of success at sa mga pinagdaanan mo, rightness, ibig sabihin, hinug na hinug ka na. That you are matured o kaya well done, yung ganyan, yung natuto ka na and you know what to do next. Diba? Kasi sa etong ripeness na to, experience ka na. So, let's wrap up. Integration, kailangan mo ng konting tulong from others. Comparison, to compare what will happen next or what are your plans yan sa buhay. And then awareness, that should be aware everything, ano ba yung mga kailangan gawin. At kailangan mong tapusin muna. Okay? And then control, that you should be on control para hindi ka rin magbe-blame ng iba that because of you, you will be successful. Ayan. So, etong barahan na to, it will, it is for this week or susunod na mga araw para sa. And then rightness. Fully matured and experienced. Okay? One-on-one tarot reading is available. Just let me know. Thank you.